What's the meaning of cussedly? Cussedly. Cussedly.
Cussedly. Cussedly. Cussedly is an adverb that describes someone who is stubbornly or persistently difficult to deal with. It suggests a person who is uncooperative and determined to have their own way, even if it causes problems for others. When people act cussedly, they often refuse to compromise or consider other perspectives, making it challenging to find a mutually satisfactory solution to a problem. Such behavior can be frustrating and can lead to conflicts and disagreements, creating a tense and unpleasant atmosphere. Therefore, it's essential to handle cussedness with care and patience to avoid further escalation of the situation.